Drink. We the one they talking about. We the one. We the one. We the one they talking about. We the one.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me for homecoming. Now, I'm not going to homecoming today. Today is a Tuesday. Homecoming is on Saturday, but I'm not going to homecoming because I got invited to a fashion show in Los Angeles. And I want to go to that instead because school is ill, and just thinking about being in a room full of high school students makes me want to vomit. So here I am filming this fake get ready with me because you guys asked me to do it. So here it is. So this is going to be super duper easy to follow. So yeah, I'm just taking a transition color, and we've got eyeshadow on our brow. We love that. I'm going to go in with just a brown and work that into the crease. My dress is gold, so I want to do like kind of like a warm eye. Honestly, I'm just so over high school, and I know I say it in like every video, but like the more I think about it, the more I want to cry. I've cried about 10 times this week. It's only Tuesday, so I'm gonna go in with some primer from Sephora. This is like the only primer I use. You guys, I love this stuff. So by the time my face has been set, or by the time I'm doing my lashes, my face is nice and intact and ready to put foundation on. I don't like putting foundation on right after I put the primer on. I like the primer to soak in my skin, if that makes sense. And then I'll go in after like a couple minutes of the primer sitting on my skin. I've been using the NARS foundation. This is really good. I actually wouldn't, I mean it's good, but I wouldn't recommend buying it if you don't like to spend money. This costs $50, and I mean I've had better, honestly. I think my favorite foundation though is the Sephora edition one. That's like what I live by. I like this one too, but I think the Sephora one is better. This is a much brighter concealer than I usually wear. The Ben Nye Luxury Banana Pattern. Another thing I've been doing is I don't really bake anymore. I just put the powder or whatever under and then just sweep it right off. Like I don't let it sit on my skin just because I feel like that gives you a cakey effect, and it also gives you flashback when you leave the baking powder on for too long. Next, I'm going to take a contour stick from Fenty. Okay guys, so watching this video back, I realized that my makeup was like really pale and like I looked really crazy all throughout, but my makeup definitely did match. I feel like it was because I had like 4 really big white light bulbs in front of me for good lighting, because it was like 8 o'clock when I filmed the video at night. So makeup did blend. We're gonna ignore that like a ghost. But let's finish the video. Bye bye. I'm gonna put some of that orange shadow underneath my waterline. Where's my lip gloss? My candle wasn't even in the video. Anyways, I want to show you guys my dress, and yeah, this is the dress. Super cute, gold. Has a little slit. I'm not gonna wear this anywhere because I can't, you know, I'm not going. So super cute though, right? Ooh, model. She cute, she bad. Hey. Hey, she cute, she bad. Hey. Pull up to homecoming like this, like, hey.
Drink. We the one they talking about. We the one. We the one. We the one they talking about. We the one. We the one they talking about. They talking. Knock your brains out your head. You keep talking loud. Damn. Let's go slide in the floor so wet. Now focus me about the offload. We just tryna make the whole crowd go nuts. What? But we don't know no one like you. Gold grills and you dance like Michael.